Come on, put it in there. Spread it out. Well, here, in your hand. Now spread it out. All we're doing is putting it in there anyhow. Put it in the hole and push it down so that all the holes are covered. Oh, don't eat that. You of all, the pickiest eater when it comes to meat.
I tried some yucky.
Yeah, I think. Okay, who's ready for the pushing? B? What are you doing drinking? Come on, push! B! Alright, let's see what we got. It's a round one!
Square.
Oh, it's square! Oh, okay. Look at that pretty burger.
We're going to have these.
Okay, now let's not pick them apart when we did such a good job making them. Okay, there we go. Alright, we did a wonderful job, didn't we? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now we'll put these in the fridge for when we can make them on the grill.